clinic team who do amazing work. Our speaker tonight is Janice Tanner. I first met Jan in clinic, and there's an organization, a national organization that gives us quilts to give to people with ALS. And I come in with a quilt, and Jan kind of eyes this thing, and she's like, "Do you need more of those?" And the next time I saw her, she had a quilt for me. She actually designed and picked all the fabrics for the quilt in the silent auction tonight. And her daughters, Evie and Valerie, are also very talented in their own right. And I will turn it over to them if we're ready to go.
Hello, my name is Janice Tanner. I live near Walker, Minnesota, on beautiful Leech Lake. I want to thank you all for supporting the ALS Association. My journey with ALS started a little over 3 years ago. I felt there was something in my throat. Because of how I was talking, my children thought I was a closet drinker. Some of the customers in my little shop thought so too. When I visited with my friends on the phone, they called the next day to see if I was okay. I finally went to the doctor in Bemidji, and after my appointment my doctor called a neurologist to see me, who said it was probably ALS. I thought this might be the case. My doctor sent me to the Mayo Clinic, but I wanted to be seen closer to home. And I heard good things about the team in Duluth at Essentia Health. I found them to be very helpful. My daughter called the ALS Association for me. They provided a walker and iPad with speech apps before I was even seen at the clinic at my first clinic visit. I mentioned needing a scooter. Well, the very next week a scooter was delivered to my house, along with a bench for the tub and a bed rail. In addition, I put the word out that I needed help with cleaning. I heard nothing, so my daughter called the ALS Association again because they have a volunteer list. I thought for sure there wouldn't be anyone available in a small town to help. I was wrong. Maria appeared. She is a good support person too. I attend the ALS support group when I come to clinic in Duluth. I've gotten helpful hints and good information. ALS takes a lot of support from family and friends. It takes hugs and humor, a certain amount of stubbornness, much determination, and the ALS Association. I do want to take a moment to thank my quilting group for their support and donation of a quilt for the auction. Again, I want to thank everyone for supporting the ALS Association. Their work is important to all of us. Thank you.
Raise $1 million on a snowmobile ride in northern Minnesota. I think we take a look at what we've done. The number looks to me to be $1,133,900. $1,133,900.